Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Macromolecule questions get easy fast when you match each sample's elements to the biomolecule that actually contains them. So watch this quick breakdown. Start with the protein fingerprint. Proteins are built from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, and some also include sulfur. So any sample missing nitrogen is already a bad protein candidate. Now check sample B against that pattern. It contains nitrogen and sulfur along with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, which fits protein really well. So this claim is strongly supported. For nucleic acids, phosphorus is the giveaway. So any choice claiming nucleic acids without phosphorus falls apart, and that leaves option B standing. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan now. Don't rush element clues. Trust the given data and check each biomolecule's required elements carefully.